I mean, the rest I gotta do this as quick as possible. The film without me doing it on film and stuff like that, it's gonna look crappy and stuff on film. I'm really pressing for time. That's one of my. So boom, I'm gonna have to make it quick as possible, quick as I can as possible. Oh, I gotta hurry up and do it. And post this online. Yes. I'm just gonna show you the crane. That's the test on it. I'm gonna plug it up right here. Like I said, this right here is the one I just bought. This is the one I just bought this month. This crane right here, it plugs up like that. See, light comes on with it. They got a switch right here. This is a switch to go to it. They got a cordless remote to go to it. This one goes to this crane right here. The first one I had, I showed it out. I'm filming. This is an A250. This is my A250 crane. Now this one got the same kind of like features on that one. But the thing about that one is this crane right here, this right here is an A25 crane, and this one's an A250. It helps like double the weight on it. I'm gonna just show you a quick test here. Let's show you. See this light come on right here. If you would stand on this side, you can stand on this side. They got a light on this side too on it. No, that was a light right here. Okay, they got the switches and stuff right here on it. So boom, like yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna hurry up and do a test because I'm kind of. So this is what it looked like when you press the button on it. This cordless remote on this switch. Like I said, I got two of them right here. This the one that goes to this crane right here. They got a stop switch on it. Remote I got to it. It got a stop switch on it. On this one right here too. So I'm gonna just do a quick check. That's what it look like when it's coming down. Okay, and this is what it look like going up. So that was a review on that one. Yeah, probably see, please subscribe. But let me know that's my Viva. All these are Viva. The jackhammer too. That one, all this. My jacks are Viva. This ladder's Viva too. This right here is Louisville. That's a Louisville right here. Kind of got a steal on that one. But like we see, please subscribe. I finally got Mother Say back, yeah. From yeah, and now so like we see, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments. That's my chair right here. My chair workbench and stuff like that over there. See, please subscribe button on. Let me know in the comments and try to get back with you later on. I might have to do the dollars and stuff like that. That's another one of my dollars. But yeah. See, please subscribe. Let me know and let me know in your comments. Hell. Open up any type of view you have, you know, from here on out and stuff like that. So, I like to see, please subscribe on that. Let me know.